My first tufted headboard, a DIY story that sparked my Airbnb decor journey. Have you ever wanted something so badly for your home, but your budget said, girl, please? That was me, with dreams of a 1000 Pinterest headboard and a wallet that screamed DIY. In this video, I am going to show you how I turned cardboard, fabric, and sheer determination into my very first tufted headboard, and how that one project launched me into a full-blown Airbnb transformation journey. If you've watched any of my recent videos, you already know I've been converting my primary residence into a short-term rental, one project at a time, with my family still living here. And most of those projects, pure DIY. But before I got brave with rental renovations, there was one project that unlocked my creativity: this tufted headboard. Let me be honest with you. This wasn't my first attempt. I had tried making headboards before. One almost fell apart before it made it to my son's bedroom, and my son was not too thrilled about work. Another one looked great in my head, but turned out to be more craft fail than glam. But hey, trial and error is part of the journey, right? I had my eye on this beauty that I found on Pinterest. It was over $1,000, and I knew there was no way I could justify that kind of expense. So I hit up YouTube, did my homework, and decided to create my own version. We had just moved into this house and barely had any money for furniture, let alone high-end decor. But I've always loved silver. So I picked up some beautiful silver fabric from Walmart, grabbed some cardboard from, you guessed it, Walmart's leftover box pile, and I got to work. Yep, you had that right. No wood, no fancy upholstery boards, just cardboard, glue, and prayer. I shaped the cardboard into the headboard frame. I added padding, then covered it with silver fabric. I used buttons to tuft the surface, carefully pulling them through and securing from the back. That process took patience, a strong thumb, and a lot of grace. But once it was done, I was in love. The headboard gave the room such luxe feel on a dime. But of course, I couldn't stop there. I decided to add 2 large oval mirror wall decor pieces on either side of the bed to complete the look. Those also made with cardboard. And for a little sparkle, I used Mod Podge and glitter only on the mirrors. That shimmer still catches the light beautifully. To take it further, I added small round mirrors and even hand painted some stones to create texture and interest. The result? A glam guest room I was so proud of. And here's the crazy part. This project was just for fun. But looking back, I realized it's what gave me the confidence to start my DIY Airbnb journey. If it weren't for that silver headboard, I probably wouldn't have tried half the things I've done in my home. It taught me that beauty doesn't have to break the bank, and that creativity can be just as valuable as cash. So if you've been watching this and wondering whether you should try your first big DIY, let this be your sign. Yes! Do it scared, do it on a budget, and give yourself grace to make mistakes along the way. If you love this story, hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY and Airbnb inspiration. And let me know in the comments, what's one project you've been dreaming about but haven't dared to start? I would love to cheer you on. And hey, check out my Airbnb transformation series to see how this one headboard eventually became part of something so much bigger. See you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.